In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to game share and get free games from your friends in 2022. Also, want to do a quick plug before I actually get into the tutorial for my podcast at Unwrapping Success. First link in the description, go click it, guys, and subscribe to my podcast channel. We also have an audio version if you were interested in listening to the audio version, but we're going to be doing a giant 1,000 subscriber giveaway to one of you lucky fans. So go click the link in the description, subscribe to that channel, and also follow us on the audio version. And also a quick plug, since I haven't uploaded too much on this channel anymore, go check out my new channel at Scott Tyler. That will also be linked in the description below. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers as well. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so we on my Xbox right now. So the key before we get started with anything, ladies and gentlemen, is making sure that you have a buddy who you can sign into their Xbox with their consent, obviously. So what you want to do is get their sign on, their username and password, and be able to sign on their account, and you give them your account as well, your username and password, for them to sign into your Xbox account, and vice versa. So what you're going to do, well, both of you are going to do this, however, it's the same process. You're going to go to settings first. I know Xbox has changed the way you get to settings, but this is the most updated version, and you're going to go to general and then personalization, and you're going to scroll down to my home Xbox. This is while signed into their account. Let me just emphasize that first. So right now you would be signed into your buddy or friend's account while you do this step, and your friend or buddy will do the same process but signed into your account. What you're basically doing here is telling like Microsoft, like, hey, make this my other friend's Xbox, like that's my actual Xbox as well. Like I'm gonna be taking their Xbox Live and their games and put it on my device. Like I own both Xboxes basically. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click make this my home Xbox, and then it's gonna tell you, actually, this is updated by the way, it'll actually tell you how many Switches you have left. So I believe it's 5 per year, and then every year it will reset. But basically, you can gift people Xbox Live as well as like other sorts of memberships, even Xbox Game Pass, I believe, and they can enjoy all those benefits just by having your sign on, basically. So that's basically the gist. You'll click make this my home Xbox and stuff, and you can just rock and roll from there. You'll then like be able to unsign out or sign out from their account and go back into yours. And then once you're signed back into your account, you can go to like my games and apps and stuff. Let me just go back to the main screen. You'll be able to go to my games and apps, and then you'll go to ready to install. Okay, so one just quick side note, basically further explanation. You want to go to full library, all owned games, and the ones that are your friends are the ones with like the little download symbol on the bottom right next to each game. Those are the games you can go download and actually install on your Xbox, and you should be able to play them for free no matter what. And yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like this channel. Go check out my podcast at Unwrapping Success and my new channel at Scott Tyler, as I mentioned at the start of this video. Appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys on my other channel, since I'm probably not going to be uploading on this one. So peace out, everyone.